Coloring with Rutaba. Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the cute ice cube. So let's get begin. First, I'm going to draw the outer lines of 3D ice cubes. So start with me. I draw the two parallel lines and then two opposite parallel lines to make the square. Friends, make the line little wavy because ice cube do not have sharp lines. I make the 3D ice cube, then I make its eyes, then I draw the ice cube hands and legs. Yes friends, exactly like this. Are you going to enjoy? I'm going to make the 3D ice cubes. Are you making with me? Now friends, let's come and color the ice cube together. I color the ice cube eyes first. I colored his legs and his hand. Then I take the light blue marker to color the ice cubes. Yes, ice cube color is light blue. Let's color the ice cube together. I color the ice cube with light blue. Are you coloring with me? The ice cube looks so cute. Friends, are you loving to color the 3D ice cube together?
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a Pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to
The ice cube is going to be finished soon. It's look very beautiful.
under her chair. Pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to visit the
Amazing. The ice cube looks so beautiful.
little mouse under her chair.
To give the more beautiful cubic effect, I shade it with dark blue. Friends, you give the shade exactly according to me. Amazing! The ice cube looks so beautiful.
Garden grow.
Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.